Meaning of Dionysian.
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 Dionysian. The term Dionysian originates from ancient Greek culture and mythology, specifically from the god Dionysus, who was associated with wine, fertility, and wild revelry. The adjective Dionysian is typically used to describe anything that is characterized by passionate, chaotic, or frenzied behavior and emotions. In modern usage, it is often contrasted with the more rational and ordered approach typified by Apollonian qualities. Thus, a Dionysian result would likely be marked by intense emotions, primal instincts, and an overall sense of unbridled indulgence or excess.